Compact dimensions become far more valuable when they are backed by power, control, operator comfort, and real job site versatility. The TYPHON TERROR 17 Pro Prestige Edition is a 4,000-pound enclosed cabin mini excavator. A Kubota D902 3-cylinder diesel engine delivers approximately 15.8 horsepower. An 18 megapascal hydraulic system, responsive pilot controls, provides smooth movement and continuous hydraulic support for powered attachments, and a 45-degree left, 55-degree right boom swing improve access beside walls and foundations. Versatility turns the TYPHON TERROR 17 Pro Prestige Edition into more than a standard mini excavator. The quick coupler makes tool changes faster. The 200mm narrow bucket handles precise trenching, while the 500mm plain bucket and standard bucket support general digging and loading. The rake clears debris, the ripper breaks compacted ground, and the auger drills holes for fencing and landscaping. For material handling, the grapple and hydraulic thumb clip control logs, rocks, and debris. The 600mm screen bucket sorts material, while the 600mm tilting bucket grades. Add the hydraulic hammer for demolition and the pallet fork for moving supplies. With 11 specialized attachments, plus the standard bucket and hydraulic thumb clip, one compact excavator built for every tough job on site.